In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Oculus Quest all-in-one VR headset. We have it here, and just as a warning, this Oculus has already been opened, so it might not look exactly like a perfectly new one, but everything should be the same. So I'll go ahead and open up the box. Kind of have to shimmy it out. Alright, so now we can see all of the main components that come with the Oculus. There's not too many, which is good. Very simplistic. So I'm going to take out first of all the headset. Here we have the Oculus headset, which is the main device. And it's an all-in-one, which means that you don't need any other external components with it, any other devices. So you don't have to use your phone. It is its own device. So you can just put it on and wear it and play your games. And with the headset, you can also adjust some of the straps to have a better fit for your head. So first of all, when you put it on, you lift up the strap and then you put it down and then it sits on your head. But if you want to adjust it to make it more loose, more tight, you basically go to any of the straps on the left, on the top, or on the right, and you pull it or push it to make it more tighter or more loose. And then you just put the strap back, the Velcro strap, and it'll stay in place. Same thing with the top and on the other side. Another thing that you can also adjust is the width between your two eyes. So here you can see the two lenses for both of your eyes when you put it on. You can adjust this space in between here by moving this slider left or right. And as you can see when I move it, the space between there adjusts. And you can just adjust those to make your headset a little more comfy. Another thing you can change is volume. So when you put on the headset, it has built-in speakers, so pretty much anybody kind of near you can hear it. You can change the volume by pressing the positive or the negative sign right here on the actual Oculus. And then if you also want to use headphones, that's also an option with the Oculus. There's two audio jacks on the left and on the right. So I have my headphones here. You can plug it in like that to use headphones with your VR. Plug it in on the right as well. Alright, and that's pretty much all that's with the Oculus. The power button's on the right here. You can turn it on and off. And it has some cameras, but we'll get to that later when we're setting up the game. Alright, so next what comes with the Oculus are of course your controllers. You have two controllers for both of your hands. And the good thing is that they're also labeled, so it has R for right and L for left, and it doesn't matter which one you put because it does have a different feel on both hands. So you can see we have our triggers, we have two triggers, and we have three buttons. You have B and A. You also have a joystick with the controller, and then you have the Oculus button as well. That's kind of like a home button, but you'll see more of that when we actually put on the headset. So these are powered, so they do need batteries, and that brings me to the last thing in the kit, which is this box here. So when you take out this box, it basically has your charger, and it also has two batteries and some instructions as well. So I'll just take out this part, and you can see we have our two batteries, two AA batteries that will be used for the controllers, one for each. And then you have your charger for the Oculus. So first we'll take a look at the charger. You just plug it in, and then it fits on the power jack is on the Oculus right here on the left side. So you just plug it in, and then you can charge it now. So with the controllers, you have to put the two AA batteries in. And to do that, you just slide them out. So I have the right one right here. I'm just gonna pop it like this and then put in the battery and then just slide it back. It's that simple. And then you can change it. The Oculus will also tell you when your battery is running low, which is good. And I'll do the same thing with the left controller. And now they're powered, so they can be used. Another thing with the controller is that when you put it on your hand, you can also adjust the strap to make it more tight on your hand so it doesn't fall off. So now I'm using it and it won't fall off, which is good. Same thing with the left, and now you are basically ready for to use your Oculus. So make sure you charge it and make sure you put your batteries in, and you should be ready. You can put on your headset, and yeah. It also comes with an instruction manual and some warranty stuff, but we won't go through that. You can look at that on your own. And now we will go ahead and look online for the Oculus website, and we will set up an account to play games. So now that we have opened up our Oculus headset, the next thing we need to do is pair it to the app. So first of all, we're going to download the Oculus app on our phone. And I already have it loaded, so I'm just going to open it up. And then when you get here on the app, you're going to be asked to create an account, or if you have an account, and you are basically just going to log in. So if you don't have an account, you're going to create an account by clicking sign up. But if you do have an account, you're just going to log in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And it may also ask you to log in with a Facebook account if you want to merge it. I'm just going to use my Facebook account. And if you don't have a Facebook account, you can just make one just for this. You don't have to have a previously owned one. Alright, so now I'm logged in, and I can see the app. And so with the app, you can, of course, download apps for your Oculus. So this is just basically the platform to be able to control your Oculus and change some settings and stuff like that. So if we go here to settings, we can see some stuff. You can also add a credit card if you're going to be purchasing games. But if we go to the store section, we can see a bunch of different apps that we can get. And so anything you buy on your phone for your Oculus will be on the Oculus once you pair it. So if I decided to buy any of these games, it'll be on the Oculus. It'll automatically just pair and be on my Oculus. So first we need to pair our device. So you're going to go to settings, and once you create an account, it'll show you all your passwords and stuff like that, all your settings. And so you're going to click pair new headset. And so since we have the Oculus Quest, we're going to click Quest. And then now you're just going to follow the instructions to pair your headset. So I'll click start. And then it's just kind of telling me where things go. So it's telling me where the power jack is, and where what the different color lights mean as well. So I'll press continue. So now once we turn on my headset, and I have my headset here, I'll turn it on. And then I'll click next. Alright, so now I have to look into my headset and type in this 5-digit code. So I'm going to look in my headset. And then you'll type the code in and continue on from there, and then it'll ask you to pair your controllers. But I've already done that, and it's already paired to this device, so it won't allow me to pair it again. But once you do that, you basically, and I'll go back, you basically have your headset paired. And then right now it's showing me that my headset is paired, and it's showing me all the information about it as well. And what's cool is it tells me the battery percentage of my controllers as well. So right here I can see controller left 100% and controller right 100% as well. And you can look at some different settings for your device. But once it's paired, now you can use your headset and it'll be linked to your account, and every app that you download in your app store will be on there. And also you can, like I mentioned before, you can add a credit card on here and buy games. And there are also some free games here as well. You can look for different stuff, search it, any games that you're interested in, download it, and then it should be there as well. You can also download and buy games directly from the Oculus.